Hello, doctors, seniors, respected teachers, and all. Warm welcome. It's a very good decision given by the Supreme Court that the NEET PG 2025 exam will be held on 15th of June in a single phase. Mind it, in a single phase. That means automatically the process of normalization and others are getting cancelled. Earlier, you should also watch some of my videos in which I told it will take time but justice will come. It's a great setback for NTA, and now we can also raise some other questions that NTA has to perform for its betterment, in which I will tell that there is a lot of miscommunication or misunderstanding in NRI quota seats and their documentations. I am clearly seeing in the market people are just making it as a business. Though it's very correct to have NRI quota seats, but who is doing the mistake? Either the students or the NTA or the college authorities, because the maximum students are not following the decision given by the Supreme Court. And again, there is the thing that maximum limitation of fees. If thrice of the things are made correct, then there is a lot of purity in NEET 2025 exam. And you can just have your goal correctly in these exams, and it is very much also required. Here, after being a doctor can understand their problems, and now they are educated. Need not to tell to assess the quality of colleges, because in undergraduate, either from the government college or from the private colleges, they have assessed a lot. It's priority of a doctor to take the field in which they want to go. The process of counseling is also not very clear. It is overlapping, and due to this overlapping situations, a lot of doctors are missing their branches. So I think the counseling portal also should be modified or be on the same portal, or have a great synchronization with the state counseling. It is clearly indicating that the students are paying 2 lakhs rupees as a security deposits. So, as a security deposits, in that condition, there is also some very much exercise to deliver correct counseling ranks. They are creating problems here and there rather than focusing on the correct things. But time is coming, and thanks to all those who are involved in this case and brought success to all of the aspirants of NEET 2025 examination. It's a clear-cut victory for students, I will say. A layman can also understand why different questions will be asked for the same examination, and again the process of normalization, those will be implemented. These are the very simple things which you have to understand also. Be with us, be with the positive modifications. Doctors are learned people, they already spent 5.5 years for their graduation. They have seen the world. You can't make them so fool. Thank you.